I remember the rain on the roof that morning, and all the things that I wanted to say, the angry words that came from nowhere without warning, that stole the moment and sent me away. And you standing there at the doorway, crying, and me wondering if I'd ever be back. I said I didn't come here to leave you.